Hello, my name is Mayerlis Rangel from UNAT University, course Inglés B1. 5 steps are explained in the video. Learn to relax while listening to speak English. Understanding why translate from English to your language is a bad idea. Learn ways to use the calm text to better listen and understanding English. Think about the different situations to listen to English and try to understand. Make a study plan on the best ways to improve listening comprehension in English. 2 situations named in the video. You are listening to an English teacher. You speak British English and you speak slowly and clearly. Therefore, non-native non-native speaks from 4 different countries speaking to each other with different accents. At minute 3:31, the Portuguese language is spoken. Rules for the 5 steps. Number 1, do something every day. Number 2, do something different every day. What kind of lesson propose? The proposed plan is to practice 20 minutes every day, listen to music and watching old movies, among other things. How to stick to your plan? Create reminder that allows me to carry out my practices without fail. In Google, I find material for my practices in English, such as readings and videos. Thank you.